This is Jason with JDiation Designer, and I'm here to show you our newest mounting plate. This is for the MTM ACR 872 ammo crate. This features our easy remove power supplies, which I'm demonstrating here. You just take off these four little nuts and the power supplies come right out. They're held in place by these mounting brackets. It's really nice because you aren't actually connecting the power supplies directly to the bottom plate. So if you have an outage in your show, you can actually get in here and pull these out really quickly. The other thing this design features, up to 4 power supplies. It also features our dual shelf design. In this case, I've got a couple of SAN devices here on the top and the bottom, but you could do a Falcon controller on top and an expansion board on the bottom. I've added a fan, some fusing. All of the components that you see here, you can go into our design software at jdiation.com and actually choose which components you want where. You can move them around any which way, and the designer will actually create you a design that has all of these mounting holes exactly where you want it. All of our designs are free to download. All you need to do is go and visit us at jdiation.com. Also visit us on our Facebook page for all the latest designs and the latest news.